Hi, today we're going to talk about how to program a thermostat. Start by clicking the menu button and then select Program to proceed. Use the plus and minus buttons to turn the program feature on or off. Once you do, you'll have the option to set up 3 different schedules. One is for Monday to Friday and the others are for Saturday and Sunday. All 3 schedules will have wake, home, sleep, and away settings. Drag the toggle on or off to toggle the option you want. And then select heating or cooling mode. For example, you can decide on the temperature in the house when you're at home and set it differently when you're away. When you choose a setting. For instance, use the plus and minus buttons to edit the time and press select again to apply the changes. So, programming a thermostat is that simple. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.